We're here at King Coyd Stadium where the Football Association of Wales hosts this year's UEFA Women's Champions League qualifying round. We caught up with Cardiff Met captain Emily Allen.
To be honest, we're still all really happy, obviously, with the result on Tuesday. I think we definitely deserved the win. We all went into it really positively, which I think was the main reason why we got such a good result, really. We just concentrated on ourselves and our own game. I think that's what really helped us and helped us get that good result. I think it's definitely an advantage. We're used to the surface. We like playing on this surface. It's a big pitch, but we're used to playing on it. We've obviously worked hard in training here, and I think it definitely helps us, and it's a definite advantage for us. On Tuesday it showed we got a great crowd here, and I think hosting it here will definitely help that. I mean, it's already the support we've had is massive on social media and at the game, so I think it could be really big for the Welsh Prem and the FAW. It's important that we get a lot of support to the games, which we have done. We've worked hard sort of behind the scenes to try and get as many there as possible. I think getting the young girls here is massive for us, which we've worked hard. We've gone out to clubs and schools, but I think that could be big for football in Wales.